Welcome back, everyone. Here are 10 amazing facts about underwater creatures. Starting with number 10, blobfish. The blobfish is an extremely ugly fish that lives off the coast of Australia at depths of 2,000 to 4,000 feet. It has a big head and a small mouth with no teeth. It uses its head to suck up prey, which it finds by feeling vibrations in the water around it. But the most amazing thing about this fish is its gelatinous body. This means it doesn't need much energy to move around. And instead of bones, it has a skeleton made of cartilage, like sharks and rays. They can live for 20 years and grow up to 3 feet long. But because they live so deep down, there aren't many predators that will eat them. Number 9, sea pig. In the deep sea, there is a creature known as the sea pig. Its name may sound cute, but these little pigs can grow to be almost 6 inches long and weigh over 2 pounds. They have pink bodies and snouts like pigs, and their mouths are full of sharp teeth. Despite being such large creatures, sea pigs are actually quite slow-moving and spend most of their time looking for food. They mostly eat dead animals that fall to the bottom of the ocean, but they will also eat each other if they get hungry enough. Because of their unique appearance and behavior, scientists believe that sea pigs are an endangered species. Number 8, Dumbo octopus. There are over 300 different types of octopus in the world, and one of the most amazing is the Dumbo octopus. It gets its name from the fact that it has 2 large ears that look like the elephant's tusks. But unlike elephants, Dumbo octopus use their ears to sense changes in water temperature and pressure. They also have 8 arms that they use to swim through the water and capture prey. Dumbo octopus are usually only a few inches long, so they are often mistaken for other types of octopus. However, they are actually part of a completely different family. One of the most interesting things about them is that they do and have ink sacs, like other octopus, which means they have no way to defend themselves against predators. Number 7, comb jellyfish. The comb jellyfish is a beautiful creature that lives in the ocean. It has a translucent body with rainbow-colored stripes that run along its length. These stripes are actually tiny plates called combs, which the jellyfish uses to swim through the water. Each comb has a different function, and together they allow the jellyfish to move in any direction. The comb jelly is also one of the fastest swimming animals in the ocean, able to reach speeds of up to 6 miles per hour. It uses its speed to catch prey, mainly other jellyfish and small fish. It has stinging cells on its tentacles that it uses to paralyze its prey before eating it. Number 6, goblin shark. The goblin shark is a rare species of shark that lives in the deep sea. It has a long, slender body with a pointed nose and a large mouth full of sharp teeth. Its jaws can extend outward to help it capture prey. Even though it can grow up to 13 feet long, the goblin shark is not considered to be a dangerous creature because it lives in such deep waters where humans rarely go. It is estimated that there are only about 1,000 goblin sharks in the entire ocean. So they are very elusive creatures that are rarely seen by humans. Goblin sharks are carnivorous, and their diet consists mainly of fish and squid. They are ambush predators who wait until they are close to their prey before striking. Their large mouths help them to swallow their prey whole. Number 5, leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is a type of fish that lives in the coastal waters of Australia and New Zealand. It gets its name from its long, flowing fins, which resemble seaweed. It is one of the most beautiful creatures in the ocean and is often seen floating past divers as they explore the coral reefs. Leafy sea dragons are actually part of the same family as seahorses, but they are much more elusive and rarely seen by humans. They are masters of camouflage and can change color to match their surroundings. This makes it difficult for predators to spot them, but it also means that they are sometimes mistaken for seaweed or coral. Leafy sea dragons are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of algae and other small plants. Number 4, barreleye fish. The barreleye fish is a strange-looking creature that lives in the deep sea. It has a transparent head that allows you to see its brain and other internal organs. It also has huge eyes that stick out from its head, giving it the appearance of having bug eyes. Barreleye fish are actually related to other deep-sea fish, such as the anglerfish and the hatchetfish. They typically live at depths of up to 2,000 feet where there is very little light. This is why they have evolved to have such large eyes. Barreleye fish are carnivorous and feed on smaller fish and squid. They use their large eyes to spot prey in the darkness, and then use their sharp teeth to eat them. Number 3. Vampire squid. The vampire squid is a strange-looking creature that lives in the deep sea. It has a dark red body with 8 arms that are lined with sharp hooks. It also has 2 webbed appendages that it uses to capture prey. Despite its scary appearance, the vampire squid is actually quite small, growing to be no bigger than a softball. It is named the vampire squid because of its habit of sucking up prey. It feeds mainly on dead animals that sink to the bottom of the ocean, but it will also eat other squid and small fish. Number 2. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is a very rare species of shark that lives in the deep sea. It has a long, slender body with a wide head and a large mouth full of sharp teeth. Its most distinctive feature is its frill, which is a thin membrane that extends from its gills. The frill is actually a modified gill cover that has evolved to form a protective collar around the shark's head. This helps to protect it from injury when it is fighting with other animals. The frilled shark is a very old species that has been around for millions of years. It is believed to be one of the oldest living species of shark. The frilled shark is a very elusive creature and is rarely seen by humans. It typically lives at depths of up to 3,300 feet, where there is very little light. This makes it difficult for scientists to study it in its natural habitat. Number 1. Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crab is one of the largest species of crab in the world. Its legs can grow to be over 12 feet long, making it look like a giant spider. It lives in the coastal waters of Japan and China and typically grows to be about 10 inches wide. Japanese spider crabs are scavengers and feed on dead animals that sink to the bottom of the ocean. They are able to detect chemicals in the water that indicate the presence of dead animals, and then they travel to that location to feed. Despite their large size, Japanese spider crabs are relatively slow-moving creatures. They have a hard time walking on land because their legs are so long and thin. If you ever see one of these crabs, be careful not to step on it. Its shell is very hard, and its claws are very strong. Which of these underwater creatures was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.